Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the exact backup file name and its extension so Peachtree knows what to read. Open the correct Peachtree or Sage edition. You must use a compatible version to avoid conversion errors. Once done, make sure the folder where you'll restore has sufficient disk space and write access. This prevents file truncation. Now launch Peachtree, select File Restore, and choose the backup file. Do this immediately to start the actual data transfer. You'll see Restore options. Pick the backup and decide whether to overwrite the current company or restore to a new company ID. Choose New if you need a safety copy. Once you click Restore, Peachtree will validate file integrity and map accounts. This step explains why using the right version matters. Monitor the progress bar and avoid closing the program or shutting down the PC, while Peachtree writes entries and reindexes. Interruptions can corrupt the restored data. Once the restore finishes, you must verify charts of accounts, balances, fiscal year, and vendor/customer lists to ensure everything mapped correctly. Then run Peachtree's verify data and rebuild utilities and compact the file to improve performance. These steps explain how to catch subtle inconsistencies. If you encounter errors, check the restore log for specific messages and either apply the latest Peachtree update or try restoring a different backup copy. This troubleshooting tip often resolves incompatibility or corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.